Hi guys, today we are going to see how to fix this mode not supported issue in the IPTV Informer Mag TV box. And here we have connected to a Samsung TV. This is one model. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to attach this in another TV. Some TVs have an option to automatically switch the modes, and some TVs don't. So this TV does not. So I'm going to attach this box into another TV and let's see what happens. So here I have attached it to a different TV, just connected the cable, power cable, and here we see what is happening. It says detecting device. It's a different TV. And here we go. I didn't have to do anything. You just connect it to a different TV. This TV has an option to find different modes automatically, and here it did. So once it goes into the loading, I'll show you what to do next. So here it just went under the loading, and now you would just go to system settings. You would go to video. See, this is in PAL, and that's the problem. You just bring it to auto and then click on OK. Successfully saved, and that is all you need to do. So after this point, things are extremely simple, and then you just restart the portal and it goes right in. So that's all you need to do, guys. Just try a different TV and it works like a charm.